If you want to learn some simpler recipes for natural cleaning supplies, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Tracy and I make videos on minimalism and intentional living to make the daily life a little simpler. In one of my previous videos, which I'll have linked up here, I share items that I no longer purchase. Of these items are household cleaning supplies. Today I'll be sharing with you my recipes for natural cleaning supplies. Be sure to keep watching through till the end because I'll also be sharing with you some bonus tips for cleaning. The recipes I'm sharing with you today are an all-purpose cleaner, a glass cleaner, as well as a carpet deodorizer. The ingredients you'll need to make this recipe are white vinegar, Castile soap, baking soda, and essential oils. The kind of containers you'll need for these are spray bottles and shaker bottles. So for me, I have mine color-coded. I have the gray one as my all-purpose cleaner, so that's just gray as in general. I have blue for my glass cleaner, so blue like Windex. And then I have green, and this one is just straight vinegar, because usually vinegar has green on it. For my shaker bottles, I was lucky to find two different colors. These ones are actually made out of glass, while the spray bottles are made out of plastic. This one here is my carpet deodorizer, and this one is just straight baking soda. To make this all-purpose cleaner, you'll need 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of Castile soap, and then about 10 to 15 drops of essential oils. The essential oils that I chose were lavender and tea tree oil. To use the all-purpose cleaner, you spray it on the surface and then you wipe it down with a damp rag. For a glass cleaner, I actually tried a few different recipes. This is the one I ended up coming up with. You'll need 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and about 3 to 5 drops of essential oils. For the glass cleaner, you just spray it onto your mirror or the glass and wipe it with a rag. Next, to make a carpet deodorizer, you'll need 2 cups of baking soda and about 20 to 25 drops of essential oils. To use the carpet deodorizer, you just sprinkle it onto your carpet and leave it for about an hour. And then after that, you can vacuum it up. Some people like to sprinkle it on and leave it overnight before vacuuming. Now it's time for some bonus tips. So one of the first things I'd like to share, and the reason why you'll see that I have vinegar and baking soda in their own separate containers, is to create a scrub. Let's say you're scrubbing your sink or the bathtub. Just sprinkle on the baking soda, then with your all-purpose cleaner, just spray it on to create a paste. And then you can scrub it down with a brush or even just use a rag. For the next tip is a glass stovetop cleaner. Here you'll sprinkle on some baking soda onto the greasy parts, and then after that you'll spray on some vinegar and you'll watch it fizz. You'll leave that mixture on for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you should be able to take a damp rag and wipe it off. Sometimes you'll need a little bit of elbow grease on there, but for the most part, it can take it off. For my last bonus tip, microwaves. This is actually a 2-part one. One is for cleaning the mess, and the other one is if you have that burnt smell. And so for cleaning the mess, all you'll need is 1 part vinegar and 1 part water, and you'll need to put that in a microwave-safe bowl or cup. Stick it in your microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes. The timing really depends on your microwave settings, so you want it to steam up a little bit in your microwave. After that 3 to 5 minutes is up, you just open it and wipe it down with a sponge or a rag, and it's all clean. It comes off really easily. If you don't like the smell of the vinegar, which will dissipate in a shorter amount of time, you just add some lemon slices to it. Or if you don't want to do that, you could just put some lemon juice in it. If your microwave smells like burnt popcorn, I know that about 8 years ago I bought a used microwave and it smelled burnt, but other than that, it worked great. I looked online to find a recipe and this is what it was. So you just use that 1 part vinegar, 1 part water, add some lemon to help mask the smell, or take away the smell I should say, and microwave that 3 to 5 minutes. And you just let it sit for about another 20 minutes after that, and let the steam and everything pull all that smell, or however way it really works, and it should be gone. If the burnt smell is not gone, then you'll have to repeat the step. So these were my recipes for my all-natural cleaning supplies. If you have any variations or have any suggestions, please comment them below. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. For more on minimalism and intentional living, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.